Lauren, you know, to get to this day is incredible. It's no short of a miracle, to be honest. You know, when you pray for something for so long and you pray for someone, you don't know who that is, and for you to have been basically right under my nose the whole time is incredible. And you know that's God working right there.
Josh, I can't believe it's here. I've prayed for you. I've prayed for this day. And I love you so much, and I cannot wait to see you in just a few hours.
I can't wait to marry you and to love you forever, and just know that I'll always protect you and be there for you till the end. I love you. Oh my God. You look incredible.
How are you?
Better now.
Today is a beginning, a very powerful and profound beginning that has the potential to radically alter your entire existence. And so, Josh, I would like it if you'd repeat after me. I, Josh.
I, Josh.
Take you, Lauren.
Take you, Lauren.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
To walk beside me.
To walk beside me.
When things are good.
When things are good.
When things are bad.
When things are bad.
I pledge to you.
I pledge to you
My undying love.
my undying love
And constant faithfulness.
and constant faithfulness.
All I have.
All I have
Or hope to have.
or hope to have,
I give to you.
I give to you,
My life partner.
my life partner.
I pledge to you.
I pledge to you
My support.
my support,
My help.
my help,
My love.
my love,
And my prayers.
and my prayers.
I pledge
I pledge
to remain faithful
to remain faithful
until death should separate us.
until death shall separate us.
And I ask God now
And I ask God now
for His presence
for His presence
and His power
and His power
to keep these
to
promises.
keep these promises.
It is an amazing honor to pronounce you husband and wife and tell you, dude, you can kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, celebrate together with the bride and the groom.
Mija and Josh. For those of you non-speaking Spanish people or understanding Spanish, Mija means daughter. I want to thank you and Hank for sharing time with me and being part of my life. There's no greater gift than family, as you'll find out. Remember, both of you, I will not interfere, but I'm always here. I love you both, and oh, Lauren, slap Hank for me. To Lauren and Josh,